Hi everyone, Amanda from Talking Tots Bromley here. Today's calendar activity is rhyme time. We've got a rhyme about some reindeers. Now I've got some finger puppets here. You can follow along with me, or you can make some finger puppets of your own. There's a template on the website. You can cut it out and colour it in, or you can get a grown-up to make some of these little finger puppets, and you can just tape them to your fingers or pop them on a lolly stick. Here they are. Here are our 5 little reindeers, and here's today's rhyme. 5 little reindeers playing in the snow. The first one said, "Can you see my nose glow?" The second one said, "Listen to me sing." The third one said, "I can hear the bells ring." The fourth one said, "Let's eat some pie." The fifth one said, "I'm ready to fly." So clump went their hooves, and the snow fell white, and the 5 little reindeer flew out of sight.